Hi everyone, hope you're doing well, safe and sound. Now, I'm going to show you the way you can record your child's voice and submitting it right through their account without having to send it through email and going through the hassle of internet. What you do is you open on the ones that we asked you to send as an audio. Let's say last week we sent Run with Red. So what you do is, and I asked you here in the note to send me no longer than 1 to 2 minutes because I just want to see how your child is reading, check their CVC, their fluency. So it doesn't have to be the whole book or the whole, story. What you do is you click on make recording. The story will open first and you can let your child hear it. And by the way, you guys have the books for your kids for unit 5 and unit 6 for the reading material that we send. So also you have the decodable stories, the small stories. Whenever we assign one of the stories, you already also have it at home. Okay, what you do is after listening to the story, you click on exit and then you will find the recording audio. What you do is you open the book for your child to the story, Run with Red, and then you click on recording. It starts to record. And you can see the blue lines going up and down. It means it's recording. When you're done, you just click on finish, and then you will have listen, attach, or redo. Now, what you do is to submit it for the teacher. What you do is you click on attach. And when you click on attach, it starts to load just like that. And then when it's attached, it's going to show, it's not going to show right here. Don't worry, there it is. Okay, and then you click on submit, and then the teacher will get to see the recording of your child. Okay, this is concerning the recording. Now, some of you told me that when we play games, we're not able to save it or something happens. What you do is there are some games that have something called print report. Some games they don't. Now, those games that don't have this word, I want you just to click on submit and send it to us. But let's, for example, the game we sent about food. If you let your child play that game, when they're done, so now I'm going to be your child and I'm going to show you how we play the game. And when it's done, what happens next? Okay, so what we do is we're going to categorize, of course, food and not food. All right, your child is playing that game. You check it.
Good
You
job.
put next. You do the same thing with this one as well. Okay,
Great job.
and then this is the last one as well with food. Sorry. Okay, and the last one. Now, look what happens here. When you put
Good
check,
job.
it tells you next. Sometimes you will have these. This is the page. You will have play again or you have final report. I want you to click on final report. When you get the final report, I want you to download it and save it to the desktop. That way, you can email it to your teacher and she will get to see the progress of your child who did this game. Now, sometimes you will not find that over here. You will not find final report. It's okay. You just click on exit, and then when it's gone, what you do is let's just open one of the games here. Okay, if it doesn't have, you just click on submit. Okay, you can write a note that we played all this game and you did a great job, and just click on submit, and we will know that you opened and you played the game. But please make sure that your child is actually playing and is actually able to understand what he needs to do and reads them very well. Okay, hope this video was a bit helpful. Hopefully we'll get to see you soon. Take care.